Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to go over how to make text to speech, aka voiced over, for free in just 2 minutes or less. So without further ado, let's go straight to the video. Alright, so the process that we're going to go over today is 100% free, it's fast, and most importantly, this is probably the best or the closest thing to a human voice that we have out on the market today. So the first thing you need to do is open Google Chrome. So right now I'm in incognito mode, but you don't really need to be in incognito mode. And also I have to mention that this will not work if you do not have Google Chrome. But if you're using a different browser such as Firefox, it's really easy to download Google Chrome. So all you need to do is go to google.com, or over here in the search bar, just type download Google Chrome. And then as you can see, the first link comes up, Google Chrome, download Chrome today. It's pretty easy to download. Just click on the link and follow the steps. Again, it's very straightforward. We're not going to go through it because it's not the main point of this video. But like I said, this is very straightforward. It's completely free. Just click on the link and then follow the steps. You should be fine. All right. So once you have Google Chrome open, the next thing you need to do is type IBM Watson text to speech and then press enter. And then scroll down until you see this link right here that says www.ibm.com Watson text to speech. Right click. You can open the link in a new tab, or you could just click on it. So once you're inside the website, all you need to do is click explore demo. All right, so once you get to the website, you could pretty much erase this and type whatever you want in this. Let's say you already have a script like I already have. Delete this right here, take this, C, and then let's go back to ibm.com. Click here, Control V, you paste it in. So now I'm gonna play the voice so you guys could see what it sounds like. All right, so I'm gonna press play now. It's loading a little bit.
You are currently watching the best how to make text to speech and voiceover video, and please do not forget to subscribe and smash that like button. This truly helps our channel with the algorithm, and most importantly, it's completely free just like everything else in this video. Thank you and much love, Encom Squad Gang, whoop whoop.
Alright, as you can see, this is pretty much like close to a human voice. Like, this is so clear. And then you could come up here, you could change it to British, Australian. You could try different voices. So let's try the British one real quick. Alright, so I'm gonna press play.
You are currently watching the best how to make text to speech and voiceover video, and please do not forget to subscribe and smash that like button. This truly helps our channel with the algorithm, and most importantly, it's completely free.
Alright, so I'm not gonna play the whole thing, but you guys get the idea. You guys see how amazing this is and how smooth this is. So now you might be asking yourself, okay, so how do I download this? Because there's no, download button, there's nothing like that. So now this is the reason why I said that you can only do this using Google Chrome. So I'm gonna show you guys right now how to download this with no issues. So the first thing you need to do is right click on the play button, go to inspect. On the right side, under elements, you're going to see that the button is highlighted, right? And right under it, there's something that says audio play type. So what you need to do is double click here, and then right next to autoplay, space, and put controls. After you put controls, just press enter and then close out, and then voila. As you guys could see, right now there's a play button. All you need to do is play it again, let it play out. Let me just remove some of the text so it's pretty quick, so it doesn't play the whole thing. And then press the blue play button again. Okay, so after it reads all of your script or your text, this button is gonna come up. You're gonna see these 3 dots. All you need to do is click on these 3 dots, click download, and then boom, you're done. It's gonna download it straight to your downloads. Or if you want, you could just right click, save audio as, and then you could save it wherever you want to save it or whatever. Again, it's that easy, guys. So again, let me type something else so you guys could see that it's real. So let's just do you're currently watching my video, and then let's play it again.
You are currently watching my video.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is just download it again. And then what I'm going to do is just double click on it so you guys could hear it's the download it. It's the same sound that we just used. So let's just do it. Okay. And as you can see, I'm gonna press play.
You are currently watching my video.
This is the audio that we just downloaded in MP3, and then that's it, guys. Again, guys, pretty simple. Like, there's different voices, guys. I don't think there's anything best or any better text-to-speech quality in the market than this one. Again, this is it for the video. I'm not gonna keep this too long. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, or let me know what type of video you want to see next. Again, I truly appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for your support, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.